Hey guys, this is Glam Queen and welcome. So today's daily vlog video is going to be another how to style a Glam Christmas decor tablescape video, and I'm going to be showing you a mixed metal tablescape with pops of gold, silver, copper and red and Christmas decoration. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright sparklers, here is my not so traditional tablescape, and once again this is a Glam Christmas decor tablescape. I have used a little bit of mixed metals with pops of copper, red and silver. Now you guys, I have a couple DIYs in this tablescape as well. All DIYs video links will be down in the description. Those crushed glass plates or DIYs, that rhinestone wine glass or DIYs, and you can see I have what I have set up as copper candles, and those are DIYs as well. Those links will be down in the description box, you guys. I do truly hope you have been enjoying my Glamvember, and we're going to be doing this every year, you guys, the Glamvember. Also, be mindful for we got Vlogmas coming for the month of November as well, and you're going to be getting content every day for the month of November as well as here for the month of December. I'm sorry, you guys. So I just created a few items to give my tables a different look, and you're going to also see I'm going to be doing a tablescape, and I'm going to come back with a series I'm going to call Take 2, because I'm going to show you the tablescape one way, then I'm going to come back and take those same items and show you a more modern, updated, or another flair on that same tablescape, you guys. So with that in mind, just please keep watching, and don't forget, if you're not part of the family, go ahead and become a part of the family, you guys. You do know it is always free. Always check my description box. I keep a lot of useful information down in the description. And if this is your first time tuning in to the Glam Queen of Decor, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, double click that notification bell so you'll know every time that we are uploading videos. Now, to support our brand, subscribe to and join all of our Glam Queen branded channels, and that is the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Vlogs, and Glam Queen of DIY. Well, that's it, you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, leave me the comment "I like the copper mixture" down below in the comment section, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now, sparklers, and don't forget to watch another sparkly glam video.